Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Way Weekend. So let's start today's stock analysis with the NASDAQ. So due to the current war situation, uncertainty in market, US and Iranian war. So be careful in market. Market may go in any direction, bullish or bearish side, or spikes may possible in market like gold, silver, crude oil or indices pair or stocks also. So be careful in market. So let's start our analysis. So we count this structure as a black wave 1, black wave 2. Now we are looking for the black wave 3. So we count this move as a green wave 1, green wave 2, green wave 3, green wave 4 and green wave 5, or we can count this move as a black wave 1 or 5. But now market may go towards the deep correction. So now we are looking for the green wave 5 of brown wave 1. So let's apply the brown wave 1 of the black wave 3 like this. Brown wave 1. So we count this structure as a brown wave 1, brown wave 2. So market give us this move as a wave A, wave B or W, X and Y towards the 23, the end of group 2. So how we join the next move, the bearish move or bullish move? If market give us a classic trading level pattern above this 26,000, like market already crossed this 25,000, the pattern number 3 for the bullish side. Market cross this pattern, give us the first high above level, then A, B and C as a WXY. So if we want to go towards the bullish move, we need to wait for this correction to complete towards the 24 or 23. Then market will give us the again classic trading level pattern like arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 27, then 28 and then 30 step by step. So as of now we need to wait for this correction to complete. Then we will go towards the next point. For the bearish side in lower time frame, if we want to go towards the bearish move, market give us the classic trading level pattern number 3. So let's check pattern number 3. So in pattern number 3, market not stop at the level at 25,000, directly creates low. Then again market need to give us the A, B and C and next impulsive move. We can go directly with this wave B towards the next point, but we need to wait for the pattern to complete and we need to wait for the next impulsive move and its correction to refine our entry. From this wave B to this low, this low to inner wave B. Then we will go towards the next point. At this point, market creates low, give us the A, B and C. Now if we want to go towards the 24 or 23,000, we need to wait for the impulsive move and its correction in lower time frame to go towards the next point. So let's check the possibility in lower time frame. So in lower time frame, in 1 hour time frame after this green wave X, we count this structure as a B and C, W, black wave W, then wave A, wave B and wave C, black wave X. Now we are looking for the bearish move as a black wave Y, like wave A, wave B, then wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 towards the 23,000, step by step like this. So if we want to go towards the bearish move, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point. Market already give us the first low below level A, B and C. Now again market give us this move as an impulsive move and the sharp correction. Now if we want to go towards the next point, we need to wait for the pattern again in lower time frame, 30-minute or 15-minute time frame. We need to wait for the confirmation due to the market condition. So like this low, then A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point, 24,000. Our stop loss area belongs to this point, 25,050. the safe area, because that's possible market may give us the spike towards the bullish side. For the bullish side, if market give us the classic trading level pattern X at X in lower time frame, in 1 hour time frame, then we will go towards the 26,000. Market move from one number to an other number. So if we want to go towards the next point, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern in lower time for the bearish side and the bullish side. So let's check our next pair, Apple. So in Apple, market give us this move. After this black wave 3 and black wave 4, we count this structure as a green wave 1, green wave 2, green wave 3. Now this green wave 4 still is in play, or we can count this move as a green wave 3 at this point, green wave 4, black wave 1, black wave 2, then black wave 3. That's also possible, or we can count this move as a triangle like this. We can count this move as A, wave B, wave C, wave D, then wave E. Then market will go towards the next point 300. So how we know that this pattern still is in play, or how we go towards the next bullish point or bearish point? So if market give us the classic trading level pattern at 280, market already give us the arrival. Now for the bullish side, if we want to go towards the next point, we need to wait for the first high above 280. If market cross this 280 and give us the A, B and C, then we will go towards the 300, then 310, then 320. Then we count this move as a 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. So for the bullish side, we need to wait for the first high above level A, B and C. Like, let's check the pattern number 1 for the bullish move. Market need to give us the arrival, a reaction, first high above level 280. Now we need to wait for this first high above level and this A, B and C. Then we will go towards the bullish side with this wave B, or in lower time frame in 15-minute or 30-minute time frame. We need to refine our entry with next impulsive move from this point to this high to inner wave B. So for the bullish move, we need to wait for this pattern. Otherwise, that's possible. Market may remains like A, wave B, wave C, D, and E. Then again, after this, if this is the case, then market give us this move as A, B, C, D, and E. Then market will give us the first high above level. Then A, B, and C. Then market will go towards the bullish side. This is the way to go towards the next point. If market crosses 250 and give us the low below this 250, then we will go towards the bearish move as a deep correction or as a double zigzag pattern. But as of now, we are looking for this pattern to complete to go towards the bullish side. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we count this structure. Okay, we count this structure as a green wave 3, green wave 4. After this green wave 3 and green wave 4, we count this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 of this black wave 1. After this one, we count this move as a wave A, B, C, W, then X and then Y. Or we are, as of now, we are looking for the both possibility as a triangle we already discussed in the daily time frame like this and like this. We can count this move as A, B, wave C, wave D and E like this. Then market will go towards the next point. So for the bullish side, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 280. In lower time frame, we can go towards the next point like this. After this wave C, we need to wait for the classic pattern at 265 like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 272 and then 280. If this 280 give us the first high above level A, B and C, then we will go towards the next point 300. Then this pattern confirmed as a wave 4. So in both cases as a triangle or as a wave 1 and wave 2, we need to wait for the first high above level A, B and C to go towards the next point. So this is for Apple. Let's check our next pair, Amazon. So in Amazon, we count this structure as a brown wave 1, brown wave 2, green wave 1 and green wave 2. Or we can count this move as a flat pattern like wave A, wave B. Now that's possible, market may go towards the 180 or 150 as a deep correction as a flat pattern like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 towards the 180 and then 165 the start of group 2. Then market will go towards the bullish side. If this is the case, then we count this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C as a flat pattern. But as of now, we count this structure as a wave green wave 1 and green wave 2 is in play. So if we want to go towards the bullish move, we need to wait for this wave C to complete. We can count differently. We can count as a way 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 or as a A, B and C as a WXY. But the main thing is that if this 230 or 220 group 1 give us the classic trading level pattern like arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B and C, then market will go towards the 250, the next point. For the bullish move, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at group 1. 210, 220 and 230. If market give us this pattern, then we will go towards the next point like this. At this point 250, market give us the pattern number 3. Market creates low, then give us the reaction, then again give us the impulsive move and its correction, then market cross the next point 200. Market move from 250 to 200 with the classic trading level pattern in daily time frame and in lower time frame. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame how we join the next point. So in lower time frame, after this green wave 1, we count this structure as a black wave A, black wave B. Now we can count this black wave B in different ways like wave A, B, C, D and E as a triangle at this point. No invalidation of Elliott wave rules. Okay. Okay. So now we need to wait for the next point like 220 or 230 to go towards the bullish side. So we count this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Now wave 4 is in play. Let's apply the move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 at this point or at this point, then brown wave 5 in lower time frame. So we can count this move as a 3, 4 and 5, or we can count this move as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is the case, if this black wave C completed at this point, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 220 or 230 to go towards the next point 250. So in lower time frame, we need to wait for this wave 4 to complete. Then again market will give us the pattern in 15-minute or 30-minute time frame like arrival, a reaction, first low below level A, B and C. Then market will go towards the 190. If this 190 give us the pattern, then market will go towards the 180. Then market will go towards the bullish side. So this is the way to go towards the bearish side or bullish side. So let's check our next pair, NVDA. So in this pair, we count this structure, this last impulsive move, strong move, as a green wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this brown wave 1. After this brown wave 1, we are looking for this correction as a wave A, wave B, and now this wave C is in play towards the 150. If market crosses this 200, the strong and larger number, then market will go towards the next point. If market cross after this correction or directly cross this point, then we will change our count from this wave A, from this wave green, brown wave 2 to this area as a WX and Y. We can count differently, but at this point we are looking for the bearish move towards the 150. So let's check the bearish possibility. So at this point, this 180. If we want to go towards the bearish move, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 180 or at this area wave X, the safe area 172. This X. Like now we need to wait for the first low below level A, B, and C to go towards the 165 and then 150. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame how we join the next move for the bearish and bullish side. So at this point in this pair, after this green wave A and green wave B, we are looking for the next point. Market give us this move as a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can count this move as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern in lower time frame. In lower time frame, we can go with this 180. 80 belongs to the end of group 2. Like we need to wait for this correction to complete the first low below level or next impulsive move at 172, the safe area, because market completed its wave X at this point. Then again market will give us the A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the next point 160. For the bearish side, we need to wait for this correction to complete. Then next impulsive move, then A, B, and C. Then we will go with this wave B towards the next point. Like let's check the classic trading level pattern for the bearish side. At this point, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 180 or 172. Like arrival, market already give us the arrival. Now this reaction is in play. Now we need to wait for the first low below level and its correction. Then we can go directly with this wave B towards the next point, or we need to refine our entry in lower time frame from this wave B to this low to inner wave B to go towards the 160, like this. So let's check our next pair, Meta. So in Meta, we count this structure as after this strong impulsive move as a black wave 1 at this point, black wave 2, brown wave 1, and brown wave 2 at this point. Or we can count differently. Like we can shift this black wave 1 at this point according to inner move. We need to shift this inner move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 at this point wave 3, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 4 and 5. Or we can count this move as a wave A, wave B, and wave C. We can count differently. But market move from one number to another number. If one larger number give us the pattern, then market will go towards the next larger number. If minor number give us the classic trading level pattern, then market will go towards the next point. Like this, at this 800, market touch this point, no touch this point, near to this 800, market bounce back, give us the classic trading level pattern at minor number, then market go towards the 600, the next point, the next area. Then this correction is in play. So market move from one number to another number. At this point, after this W and X, now we are looking for the classic trading level pattern at 650. 650 belongs to the start of group 2. If this 60 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the 500 with respect to 600, 550, the minor numbers. So as of now, we are looking for this correction as a wave A, wave B and wave C. So let's check the possibility in lower time frame how we join this leg towards the bearish move. So in lower time frame, after this W and then X, we count this structure as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5, wave A. Wave B can go towards the 750% retracement area or 61.80, 700, or market may go towards the 680. So how we join the next move? At this point, the strong and larger number 650. The pattern number 3 is in play. In pattern number 3, market not stop at the level directly creates low. If market give us this low, then we need to wait for this correction to complete. Then again, first low below level, the next impulsive move and its correction A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 620, 600 in lower time frame, 580, 550 step by step. So as of now, we need to wait for this wave B to complete and then next impulsive move and its correction. Then we will go towards the next point with this wave B, or in 15-minute or in 5-minute time frame, we need to wait for next impulsive move and its correction to refine our entry from this wave B to inner wave B. In 1 hour time frame, we can go with this wave B towards the next point, but we need to refine our entry in 1 hour time frame from this wave B to this low to inner wave B. We can apply this pattern in any time frame. In lower time frame, we need to shift this entry point from this wave B to inner wave B in 15-minute or in 5-minute time frame. If market cross this 700 and give us the classic trading level pattern for the bullish side, at this point, then we change our count towards the bullish move. So as of now, we are looking for this move as a WX and then Y. So let's check our next pair, Google. So in Google, we count the strong structure, the strong impulsive move as a brown wave 1. After this brown wave 1, this correction is in play. Market cross this 300. The strong and larger number. At this point, market give us the pattern in 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. Then market go towards the next area. 3 market cross 330 belongs to end of group 1. So now we are looking for the correction towards the 250 with respect to group 2. So at this point, we count this move as a wave A. Now we need to wait for this wave B to complete the first low below level A, B and C to go towards the 280. If 280 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the 265. If 265 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the 250 step by step. So as of now, we are looking for this correction as a wave A, B and C as a brown wave 2. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this green wave 3, 4 and 5, now we are looking for this move as a wave A. Wave B is in play and the classic trading level pattern market give us the arrival at this point. Now we need to wait for this reaction as a wave B, wave C. Then again market will give us the first low below level, below this 300 at this point or at this point. Then A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 280, then 272, then 265 with this wave B. Like we can go directly with this wave B towards the next point, but we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this wave B and stop loss from this point to this point. We need to refine our entry and stop. So as of now, we are looking for this move towards the bearish side. So let's check our next pair, Microsoft. So in Microsoft, we count this structure as a after this strong move, after this black wave 2, we count this move as a green wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of this brown wave 1. After this brown wave 1, we count this move as a W, then X, and then Y towards the next point. At this point, 400. Market crosses 400. So if market give us the classic trading level pattern at its group 1 belongs to for 1020 and 430. We need to wait for the clear impulsive move and give market need to go towards the next point as a way 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 towards the group 1 or medium number 450 like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the next point 500 and then 550 step by step. So as of now, that's possible. This correction still is in play like way 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or that's possible this correction may complete it. We don't know until market give us the next impulsive move and the classic trading level pattern. Then we will go towards the next point. Otherwise, we don't know market the correction still is in play or completed. So let's check the possibility in lower time frame how we join the next bullish move or the bearish possibility. So in lower time frame after this W and X we count this structure as a wave A, wave B and wave C like wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as ending diagonal. That's also possible. We can count this move as ending diagonal. If this is the case, if this wave C completed at this point, we need to wait for the clear impulsive move like 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 towards the 430 or the medium number 450. Then market need to give us a pattern like A, B and C. First high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point 500 with respect to the group 1 and group 2. So as of now that's possible. Market may go towards the bearish side as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Then market may give us this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C. So if this is the case, we need to wait for the first low below level below 380, then A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 372 and then 365 step by step. But as of now, we need to wait for this the next impulsive move to go towards the 450. Let's check our next pair Tesla in daily time frame and in lower time frame. So in Tesla, after this strong impulsive move as a brown wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are looking for this correction as a wave 2 or we can count this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C. If this is the case then market will go towards the deep correction. But we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern because market move from one number to another number. At this point market give us the pattern, market go towards the 500, market no touch this 500, that's okay. Sometime market cross the larger number and sometime market not touch then give us a bounce back. At this point, if this 400 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the 350. If this 350 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the 300. Like this. At this 300 market give us the pattern, then market go towards the next point 450, the medium number, and then 500. Step by step. Market in lower time frame, in 5 minute time frame, you can check the pattern again at this point, at this point, at this point as a minor level or as a micro level. So at this point we are looking for this black wave 2 towards the 350. If this 350 give us the pattern then we will go towards the deep correction as a wave A or W, X and Y. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame after this black wave 1, we count this move as a wave A, wave B, wave C, W. Now we need to wait for this X to complete, then next impulsive move. And the classic trading level pattern like 400 at this point, market cross this point, creates low. Then now we need to wait for this correction to complete. Then first low below level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the lower time frame, we go towards the 380, then 365 and then 350 step by step. So if we want to go towards the bearish move, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point. Or that's also possible. Market may go like this A, B and C. Then market go towards the bearish side. If this is the case, then we need to wait for the next impulsive move in 15-minute time frame and its correction to go towards the next point. Otherwise, that's possible. Market may go towards the next point for 30, the end of group 1. Or we can count this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ending diagonal. Okay. Now if this is the case, we need to wait for this low below below the previous low. Sorry. Then we need to wait for the A, B and C next impulsive move. Then we will go towards the next point. So let's check our last pair Netflix in daily time frame and in lower time frame. As we discussed in our last week video that market ready to go towards the next point. Market may complete it this wave or near to complete at this 80 or 75. So we count this structure, this strong move as a brown wave 1, then brown wave 2, like this. So we count this move as a brown wave 1, then A, wave B and wave C. We change the inner count this numbering. So overall we are looking for the next point. So for the bullish side, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 100. If this 100 give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the 130 in daily time frame with respect to the inner number 110, 120. So for the bullish side, we need to wait for the arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 130. If this 130 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the 150. At this point, if 130 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the bullish move clearly. Otherwise, that's possible. Market may go towards the bearish side as a W, then X and then Y. That's also possible. But we need to move from one number to another number, one group to another group. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this green wave C, we count this move as a black wave 1, black wave 2, black wave 3, 4 and 5. Again market give us this move as a wave 1. We need to wait for this impulsive move to complete, then wave A, wave B and wave C. Then market will give us this next impulsive move and its correction. Then we will go towards the next point 120 and then 130 step by step. In lower time frame, in 15-minute or 5-minute time frame, at this point at 90 or 92, market give us the classic trading level pattern. Then we will go towards the 95 and then 100. We can go towards the next point in lower time frame. But overall, we need to wait for this classic trading level pattern at 100. Let's check the classic trading level pattern for the bullish side. So in pattern number 1, we need to wait for arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we can go directly with this wave B towards the next point, or we need to refine our entry from this wave B to next impulsive move in lower time frame, high or this inner wave B to go towards the next point. So this is for now. We will meet again tomorrow with the Forex pairs. Like, share and subscribe.